Hey there! Ever wondered how you can keep feeling younger and healthier as the years go by? Well, today, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret from Eastern Europe called ImuRegen. Picture this. Inside every cell in your body, there's a tiny factory hard at work. It starts with your DNA, which is like the master blueprint. This DNA gets copied into RNA, and then RNA gets translated into proteins. These proteins are the building blocks of everything in your body, from muscles to skin to internal organs. Cool, right? Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Your body has something called stem cells. These are like the body's repair crew, always ready to regenerate and repair tissue and organs. But as we age, this process slows down. That's where lifestyle modifications and dietary supplements come in. ImuRegen, developed in Europe, is packed with 5 nucleotides, 9 essential amino acids, and 118 oligopeptides. These ingredients work together to support your body's natural repair processes. Think of it as giving your body the raw materials it needs to keep those cells working like a well-oiled machine. Of course, it's always wise to consult your doctor before trying any new supplement. But if you're interested, get in touch with the person who shared this presentation with you. They can hook you up with a free affiliate link to make ImuRegen more affordable. Remember, staying young and healthy isn't just about popping a pill. It's about a holistic approach, lifestyle changes, a balanced diet, and giving your body the nutrients it needs. So, why not give ImuRegen a try? Feel healthier, stay younger, and keep living your best life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. Take care and be healthier as the years come.